Hi, I'm Nathan with ProLine Range Hoods, and today I'm going to teach you how to season a cast iron. There's many ways you can season a cast iron, but today we're going to talk about the oven method. If you have a wooden handle on your pan, don't go with this method. Do the stovetop instead. Step 1, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Step 2, make sure your pan is completely dry thoroughly with a paper towel or a towel cloth. Step 3, coat the pan with canola oil using a paper towel. Make sure you get the inside, outside, and the handles are also very important. Step 4, set the pan upside down in your preheated oven for 1 hour. We strongly suggest putting a piece of foil or a baking sheet under the pan to catch the oils from the seasoning process. Don't rush to pull it out of your oven. When you do pull it out, let it cool for at least an hour to make sure it's safe to store. And that's how you season a cast iron pan. If you have any questions, let us know down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.